Hi, I'm Bruce Boord, talking to you about frequency of driving for auto insurance and the rates they charge for it. Basically, the less you drive, the lower your auto insurance rates. Frequency of driving every day or twice a day doesn't really have an effect on the rate you're paying for your auto insurance. So if you drive 5 days a week, let's say, but you're driving 500 miles a day, well, then you're going to pay a higher rate than somebody who's driving once a week and drives 10 miles to work one way. So how many days you're driving does not affect your actual rate. What does affect your rate is your annual mileage and your distance to and from work one way. There's two other categories you have to consider. What kind of driving are you doing? Commute, that's to and from work, or business use, going to multiple locations during the day. A business use is going to be more expensive than commute, which is going to be more expensive than, say, pleasure use. A housewife who's driving the kids to the soccer game and to pick up groceries, that's pleasure use. That's a lower rate than, say, somebody who's driving to multiple locations during the day and conducting business. Business use is going to have a higher rate. But all these things come into play with how many miles a year you drive. The national average is 12,000 miles a year. If you're driving more than 12,000, you can expect to pay more. If you're driving less than 12,000, you might be paying a little bit less for your auto insurance. Make your insurance aware of how many miles is on your car and how many miles a year you're driving. I'm Bruce Boord in Westlake Village, California.